Hi guys, welcome to my first video tutorial in this channel. Basically in this channel I'm gonna create Google Ads and social media advertisement tutorials. In this tutorial we're gonna discuss about how to create a Google Ads account. Google Ads is an online advertising platform of Google. Here I'm gonna show you how to create a Gmail account and Google Ads account. Okay, let's come to google.com. Here you can see at the top right there is sign in button. Let's click on this sign in button. Then we're gonna move to another page where you can create a new Gmail ID for your first Google Ads account. So I'm creating this video for absolutely beginners. So I'm gonna create a Gmail ID and a Google Ads account. So you can easily create a Google Ads account with your existing Gmail ID. For the beginners, I'm just gonna make a new Gmail account and then we're gonna create Google Ads account. Okay, here you can see there is a create account. We're gonna create a new account. So once you click on this create account, there is two options. First one for myself and the second one for to manage my business. If you have your personal YouTube channel or if you are creating a Google Ads for your personal purpose, you can easily go with for myself. Or if you are creating this account for your business purpose, something like someone else manage your Google Ads account or YouTube account, I'm gonna go with first option, which is for myself. Let's click on it. Then we're gonna move to another page where you have to fill your first name, last name, and choose the username and password and everything. So let's start with first name. Okay, here I'm gonna type something like PPC ads tutorial. I would like to create Gmail account like PPC ads tutorial at gmail.com. Okay, let me check whether it's available. Okay, it's available. PPC ads tutorial at gmail.com. TPPC cats, I don't know, whatever it is. I'm gonna go with PPC ads tutorial at gmail.com. Click on it. There's a first option. I'm gonna choose it. There you can use your current email ID instead of creating a new one. Here we're gonna create new one and just type your password and confirm it. Here you can see when you create new password, at least 8 characters required or mix of letter, number and symbols. Let's click on next button and here we're gonna enter your phone number. Before you enter your phone number, you have to choose your country, whether it's UAE or US, UK, India, Bahrain, whatever it is. Okay, let's choose your country. Enter your phone number. You must be careful when you're submitting your phone number because when you're entering a phone number, you have to make sure that particular phone number is accessible for you at the moment because they're gonna send you 6-digit verification code to your phone number. So make sure it is with you, then hit on next button. Okay, here we go with Google verification code. So you have to enter the verification code which you got from Google. So let's enter the verification code, then hit on enter. It's almost done. Okay, here we go with our final step. There is your phone number over there and there is another option. You have to enter your recovery email ID. This is actually something like if you have any problem with your current email ID which you are creating, in case you can't log in or you lost your password or something, even you are not able to access registered phone number, you can use this recovery email ID for recover your account. So it's optional. You can either skip this, that doesn't matter, it's up to you. Okay, next one, you have to enter your date of birth over here. But when you entering your date of birth, you have to make sure at least you should be above 18. Otherwise you can't easily create YouTube account and some other restrictions over there. If you are minor, it means something like less than 18 years old. So make sure you are above 18. Next one is gender. You can choose whether male, female, rather not say custom, and then hit next button. I'm gonna go for male and hit on next button. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, this is the final step. You made it your first Gmail account. So let's click on I'm in and then there is a license agreement. You have to agree that, then go ahead. Okay, here you already sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, I'm gonna just click on this Gmail. Here you can access your brand new Gmail account. I think we got a first mail from, let me just open it. It's from Google community team. Okay, we got a first mail, then we're gonna back. I think there is nothing furthermore step to create Google Ads account, because once you log in with your Gmail account, you can easily create a Google Ads account with that particular Gmail ID. So let me go to Google Ads account. Here I'm gonna type ads.google.com. This is the URL of Google Ads account, where you can log in or you can create new account. So we are already signed in with our Gmail account. Now just we have to log in. Currently we are signing it with our, okay, here we already sign in with our Gmail account. So no need to go with any further step like sign up or whatever it is. Okay, here you can just click on sign in. That's it. Then you're gonna redirect to Google Ads dashboard. Here you can see Google Ads Express mode, but I don't recommend to use Google Ads Express mode because there is some limitations over there. So let me go with, basically I don't recommend to use Google Ads Express mode. This is for absolutely beginners, even though there is some limitations over there. That's why I don't recommend to use this Express mode. You have to go for expert mode. So here you can see at the bottom there is switch to expert mode. Okay, let me click on this expert mode. Yeah, here we go. It's gonna make a little bit confusion for us because they're directly gonna take us to create a campaign and something like that. Is the first step to create a campaign. When you create a campaign, you have to choose your goals like sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness, and reach or promotion, and to create a campaign without a goal. Yeah, we are about to create a campaign. So this tutorial, we never gonna create any campaign or anything, but only just creating a Google Ads account. Here you can see at the top of continue button, create an account without a campaign. I'm not gonna create any campaign in this tutorial. We will create campaigns in the next video. So let's click on create an account without a campaign. Let's click on it. Yeah, this is your brand new Google Ads account. In this account, you can create different type of campaigns and advertisement like search ad, display ads, shopping ads, video ads, mobile application ads, smart ad, and discovery ads. I will create the tutorial for all type of campaigns on upcoming videos. In this session, I'm going to show you create a Google Ads account with your existing email account. Here I'm going to search for Google Ads. Let's type Google Ads and hit on enter. And there are some search result over there. You can see there is the third one, ads.google.com. Let me click on it. It's going to take you another page where you can sign in with Google Ads account. Here I'm going to change this email ID and I'm going to enter some other email ID which I don't have a Google Ads account yet. So I just want to create a Google Ads account with my existing email ID. Let's enter here your existing email ID, then click on next button. Here you can enter your same mail ID password, then click on next button. Here you can see you do not have a Google Ads account. Would you like to create a new one? So we're gonna create a new Google Ads account. Let's click on new Google Ads account. Once you clicked on it, it's gonna take you Google Ads Express mode. As I mentioned earlier, we're never gonna use Google Ads Express mode. We're gonna go for Google Ads Expert mode. See the same page which is gonna take you create another campaign, create a new campaign. So let's click on create an account without a campaign. Here you have to enter your account details like billing country, time zone, and currency. Once you select all these, click on submit. So you have created a new Google Ads account. Let's click on it. Now we are on Google Ads dashboard. This is the process you can create Google Ads account. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.